What?
Migration. The cold weather setting in, and we're all leaving today for the warm weather.
Leaving?
You're a funny one. All these questions.
Sorry.
What's your name?
Everyone calls me ugly.
Oh, don't listen to them. It's a stage we all have to go through. You should have heard the names that they called me before. The molt.
How can anyone ever call you names?
Well, like I said, it's a stage we all have to go through.
Excuse me, could you lift your wing?
My mother always warned me to avoid the fishing line and the people leave behind.
So did mine. She used to tell me when we were out swimming. There, just one more loop around your leg.
Oh, thank you. I thought I was going to be left behind. And this is no place for you to spend the winter alone. Where is your flock?
I don't know. I'm lost. I was separated from my family, and the more I look for them, the further I seem to wander away.
That's dreadful. When did you last see them?
In the spring?
In the spring? You'll be lost in the spring? You poor thing. You can't stay here for the cold winter. You will freeze.
No, I'll be all right.
Come with me. The others won't mind. And the next spring, we'll return together, and I will help you to find a family.
Oh, I couldn't possibly.
Oh, yes, you could. Come on, or we'll never catch up.
Oh, Penny, I'd love to. I'd really love to. But I can't fly. At least not well enough to go with you.
It doesn't matter if you're not strong as others. I'll stay back with you and fly at your own space.
It sounds wonderful, but I have to find my mother. I'm sure she can't be far. Maybe when you come back in the spring, we can meet up again.
I would like that. Are you sure you'll be all right?
I'm sure.
Penny, come along now, darling. We'll be late. Yes, we got a long way to go. I don't like to leave you here like this alone, but I really have to go now. Goodbye, and thank you again. I won't